This is Drew with Boomer Music Company, your band and orchestra experts since 1976, and thepodcastingstore.com, the one-stop shop for all things podcasting and remote learning. This is your Weekend Update. Greetings and welcome to your Weekend Update. Back out on the road, the school year is just around the corner, and I've got some deliveries to make for repairs that we did over the summer, so heading on out to take care of that. Super excited to be getting back into the swing of things. This week, we released some really cool content. One was a video that we recorded at CBA, the Colorado Bandmasters Association. Vanessa Quintana came by the booth and we were demonstrating for her the in-studio Livestream Rig. She's been hosting meetings and needing to record them and disseminate them and all that. And this was another avenue that she could use to do that and do that more effectively using cell phone cameras, nice microphones, the PodTrack P4, and some free software. So here is a clip from that video demonstrating that Livestream Rig. Go into a seminar and live broadcast that, and we could be heckling like on the Muppet Show while they're doing their thing, and they wouldn't know.
And you're talking about how all of this can all be done without any wires. And
yes.
Yep.
Oh my gosh, that's fantastic. Well, especially when we've discussed saying, okay, if we have a conference, we have keynote speakers, and we'd like to record those, we'd like to record those sessions to be made available on the website.
And that's super simple to do. And then also at CBA, using that same equipment, we recorded an impromptu podcast. Sean Marquis from Frontier Academy in Greeley stopped by and I was demonstrating for him what the rig could do, but then we had a really cool conversation just kind of talking about the state of the world for professional music educators and educators in general, and the challenges that we all collectively faced last year and are continuing to face this year. And I thought that made for a really cool podcast conversation. So here is a clip from that one.
Everything that we do in terms of problem solving, when we have massive problems that need to be solved over coming generations, are all going to the seeds are going to be planted in education, and so we darn well better be investing in it. And the fact that we got caught with our pants down and being able to deal with a pandemic that forced us to not be able to be together, it renews an understanding of how important together is.
And then we have two new faces over at Boomer Music. Juliet Husky comes to us from Arizona. She has a degree in linguistics and is currently teaching herself piano. And then we've got Michael Mall, who just completed his master's degree in violin at Ball State University and is originally from Fort Collins. Super excited to have both of them on board. They're really awesome people. Come by and meet them. And then for the essay this week, I titled it, Failing at an Audition is like falling off a bike you never forget. And it's comparing when Timothy fell off his bike recently, I was telling him what's the lesson that the bike was trying to teach you, because that's really what's going on there, and comparing it to the time that I did not succeed at an audition in high school and the lessons that I learned from that. So check that out if you haven't read that essay yet. As always, thank you so much for your support all summer. We're really looking forward to this exciting school year, and we will see you at the store. If you enjoyed the Weekend Update, do me a favor and follow us on social media, subscribe to our YouTube channels, or visit our websites. This is Drew with Boomer Music Company and thepodcastingstore.com. Thanks for listening.